What if you could transform your life by tapping into powers already within you? Imagine living with purpose, confidence, and discipline, creating extraordinary results while inspiring those around you. Many people want to achieve more but don't know where to begin. The secret lies in mastering a few essential principles that form the foundation of a powerful and fulfilling life. Let's explore the 10 keys to what we call power living. Each one can set you on the path to achieving greatness. 1. Self-confidence. Self-confidence comes from not neglecting the small daily disciplines. You build confidence by knowing that at the end of the day, you gave your best. Whether it's conducting a meeting, making a phone call, or writing a letter, pouring your best effort into everything builds self-confidence. It's the lack of neglect and the consistency of small efforts that lead to powerful results. Self-confidence also grows from the willingness to do whatever it takes, learning new skills, consulting with experts, or pushing beyond circumstances. 2. Purpose. Having a strong purpose in life gives you something to aim for and pulls you forward. Purpose acts as a powerful force that drives you through challenges, distractions, and difficult days. The clearer and more dynamic your purpose is, the stronger it will pull you. A compelling purpose keeps your mind engaged and your spirit alive, helping you overcome obstacles and achieve your goals. 3. Expertise. Strive for excellence in all your skills. Be the best in your field and demand outstanding performance from yourself. Develop skills in language, influence, organization, and training. Mastering your craft opens the door to greater opportunities, financial success, and, if desired, building your fortune. 4. Preparation. Preparation is essential for success. Life doesn't waste opportunities on those who aren't ready. Take time to prepare yourself for success by honing your skills, making thoughtful decisions, and being serious about your efforts. Whether it's preparing for a meeting, a workshop, or your long-term goals, preparation lays the foundation for success. 5. Enthusiasm. Genuine enthusiasm comes from within, 90% inside and 10% outside. It's created by self-confidence, purpose, and a willingness to help others. Enthusiasm that runs deep motivates you and inspires others. People are drawn to your genuine passion and energy when they know it's rooted in something real and meaningful. 6. Self-reliance. Learn to rely on yourself. While it's great to have support, ultimately, you are responsible for your own success. Develop the skills and mindset needed to lead and fill any gaps. Be the person others can depend on while ensuring you don't overly depend on others. Self-reliance is about taking charge of your life and outcomes. 7. Image. Your image matters, the way others see you and the way you see yourself. Present yourself as someone in control, confident, and capable. This inspires trust and attracts people to you. Equally important is your self-image. Believe in your ability to learn, grow, and achieve. Look in the mirror and ensure that how you see yourself aligns with who you want to be. 8. Character. Develop a strong character based on values, principles, honesty, and fairness. Be a person others can respect and trust. In opportunities like network marketing or any business, integrity is crucial. Avoid cutting corners or compromising principles. Strong character ensures long-term success and lasting impact. 9. Self-discipline. Self-discipline is vital to achieving excellence. Stay consistent in your efforts and understand the importance of your role in everything you do. Whether it's shipping a product, conducting a meeting, or completing daily tasks, discipline ensures you perform at your best. Even when mistakes happen, self-discipline helps you correct them and improve. 10. Extraordinary performance. Demand excellence from yourself. Society doesn't require you to be healthy, read books, or build financial security. That's something you must demand of yourself. Extraordinary performance comes from setting high standards, going above and beyond, and taking full responsibility for your outcomes. To achieve the life you desire, you must hold yourself accountable and strive for the best. Use this list as a guide to power living. By focusing on these principles, you can design a life of success, growth, and fulfillment. And remember this: your future is not determined by chance, but by the choices you make today. Commit to these principles and you'll not only change your life, but inspire others to do the same. The power is within you. Unleash it and live a life that truly matters. Thanks for watching.